I found the typewriter at a yard sale, hidden beneath dusty linens and forgotten trinkets. It was heavy, its keys stiff with age, but something compelled me to take it home. That night, as I sat in my dimly lit apartment, I heard the clatter of its keys. My hands hovered above it, untouched. The first page read, "Tomorrow, you will meet her." Intrigued, I shrugged it off as coincidence, until the next day when I bumped into an old friend I hadn't seen in years. Each night, the typewriter typed another story, stories of my future, each more disturbing than the last. "You'll see the blood," it typed one evening. And I did. A car accident, narrowly avoided. I became obsessed, desperately trying to change my fate by altering small choices, only to find the typewriter's predictions adapting, growing darker. The final page appeared last night. You can't escape. This morning, I awoke.